Okay guys, welcome to the second video of rules of differentiation. We're still in the part 2 of rules of differentiation. So now it is very important to read dilo tsa ne re dira ko grade 11 di dilo tse ne re dira ko grade 10. So ko grade 10 le lira di exponents ne lira le di sets. You remember the exponents le di sets, right? So hore these things tse di tlo thusa mo section ya calculus, right? Di tlo thusa too much. So tshwantse di itse di lots. Okay, tshwantse di itse di lots. So because before ka differentiate selo tshwantse make sure hore x ya how e ntse. For example, let's check a. Before o ka differentiate equation e leng hore ina le x to the exponent n, let's say x to the exponent n divided by a, wa bona x how a tshwantse make sure e ntse in a right way hore khono thusa hore o khono differentiate, wa bona tshwantse make sure o beya x linear. So go re ba o file ona ka ntwe tshwantse make sure nka re this thing ino tshwana le 1 over a x to the exponent n, then you can, it's easier to differentiate something like this. La bona masakere. So you must be able to use how to play with exponents. So this one ke exponents. La bona hore le ba o file b, e ba o file b, let's check b ba o file a to the exponent x n. Why? So if I want to make this thing hore ebe ka mko gore ino tshwana ke na le a multiplied by x to the exponent minus n, then you can differentiate. You can differentiate easy. Then we have c renale a b x to the exponent n. So I do okay, ntwe botlhokwa ke exponent tse ding tse ke di just constants, tse ding tse ke they are just constants. So go re yoba wa itse di over a over b x to the exponent minus n, then you can differentiate easy. Then a d, what do we have? More d, renaleng more d, kenale a. You can even pause the video or check horo ka dira na bx to the exponent n. Can check, stop the video o bona ro ka dira na sa tlhola wena ntse o tsa di notes wena ko wena o tsa di notes. Sometimes sonso try nyana gore mara e re ke check gore nka ira na so ntwe okay yo bang ntwe botlhokwa ko bya x. So yo ba yo tsa madi le 2 cause tse tsotlhe they are under the same thing, right? Let's check e ke na le something says including the sets nyana n x to the exponent m, wa itse go tlosa square root nka nna ke re ke a over a multiplied by x minus m over n. Then it's very easy for me to differentiate something like this. Perfect. Pampiri ya dura pampiri. So the last one is f ke na le nth square root of a x m. So this one ya mafello nth square root of a nganna ga itlwela because this one is just a constant, multiplied by x yo bang m over n. Then it's very easy for me to differentiate when something is like this. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we're going to the other thing that is very important, the symbols used. We use different symbols to find the gradient. Now we'll discuss these things to illustrate. So Horeala illustrated these things. So these symbols to represent the gradient. I get a gradient. So the following symbols, they are the same thing. Gradient, gradient, the same thing. Sometimes x are gradient and derivative. Derivative It's the same thing. Nganna ka ibitsa slope. Slope is also the same thing. Or nganna ka ibitsa rate of change. Rate of change. Remember? These things, into one. Let's what I'm saying. So now, when I represent this thing, these symbols, f prime of x, it's a symbol already says again. So another symbol that I can use is dy over dx. Is the same thing. Ke gradient, it represents a gradient. Dx ke gradient. It's just in different forms. Yeah, it's just in different forms. It's just in different forms. So now let's say how do we re tlo itse bjang gore re berekisa effing ko kae. So let's say you are given f of x ya rena. So what depend or bo file f of x ya how ntse bjang. Let me just use another page. For example, if I'm file a, so if I'm file a, then bare determine. So get example ka one. So number one ash bare determine f prime of x if f of x is equals to 3x6. Lebona mosagir. So hele so heban file as f of x banyaka f of prime. Lebona korore answer ka tloba. Therefore, color f of x yaga shiban file as 3 to the exponent 6. Color now f prime of x yaga is going to be how differentiate. Color yoba 6 multiplied by 3. 6 multiplied by 3 kibukai. So 3 multiplied by 6, then x 6 minus 1. So it gives me how much? So it gives me 18x5. That's number one. That's how they can ask it. So f prime of x. Then label number two. Number two, now determine dy dx if y is equals to 3 to the exponent 6. Or when I have file on a sy, basically you are looking for dy dx. Whatever. But salabala f prime of x dy dx gradient. These things are the same thing. Then we'll make sure in the so-called y is equals to 3 to the exponent 6. Again, then we'll dy dx is equals to 3 times 6 again 18x5. That's good. Then number 3, in the form of, for example, differentiate dx. You have 3x6. Then when you start differentiating, that's when you remove the dx. Square this thing you can over equals to 18x5. So this way, into one, but by express it in different forms. Okay, so I will do the next video discussing more all about these things. Again, I will do another video part 3. Okay, harele bohemba fetu le salabalang ke di coronavirus le tlo tshwara ke malwetsi le nneng high. Stay home and stay safe.